A lot of you are using that guide and file that's it's free through the courts, and it forces you. So what I was wondering why so many people were turning in these the property declarations and through the guide and file. So I signed up for that to see what you guys are up against. It forces you. It's not an option. If you say there's assets and debts, it's forcing you to complete these property declarations. And the reason I say don't do these property declarations is because if you list anything you list on these property declarations and then you file those with the court, let's say you don't finalize your divorce for a few months and then the assets change or the values change, you have to still address any asset or debt that you listed in those property declarations. Now the court's going to compare your settlement agreement to the property declarations to make sure everything is matching up. Let's say you listed a bank account on here that you now closed because during the process you and your spouse decided to close that account. And then so of course you won't list that on your settlement agreement, right? Because it no longer exists. The court will reject your judgment because they said, hey, you listed this account on your property declaration, but I don't see it on your settlement agreement. And that's why I hate, for 100 other reasons, the property declarations. They cause so many issues in having your judgment rejected, even if you're in agreement, because they will match those up. So